Hello, welcome to creditRepairSweep.com. My name is Justin, and in this video I'm going to show you the effectiveness of our Equifax Credit Sweep program. We also do credit repair with Experian and TransUnion, but in this particular video we're going to show you the Equifax Credit Sweep program. So I'm going to show you an example from one of our clients. So I'm going to go to Credit Check Total. Gonna go to members login area. Gonna type up the username and password so you can see everything in real time. I gotta put in the social. And we're on our way. Okay, so this is a client that I'm working on. We're going to go to view archive reports because I want you to see the before and after, the effectiveness of the program. As you can see on the dates, you see the order date is October 3rd, 2012. That's when the client first signed up with Credit Check Total, and this is when we started. We started actually a few days after they signed up with Credit Check Total. So then we're going to go to the first report, and then the second report is October 19th, 2012. So that's a little over 2 weeks. But let me show you something interesting right now. This is the first report. This is when the client first signed on. We're going to go to credit score. And we're not going into Experian because this is explaining the Equifax Credit Sweep program. As you can see from the Equifax, the score is 658. That's the score. The credit category ranking is at fair. So now we're going to go to archive reports again, and we're going to go to the more recent report from October 19th. Like I said, this is just a little over 2 weeks. We're going to click on that. We're going to go to credit score. I'm going to scroll down to Equifax. And as you can see, the score is 739, right? And the credit category is at excellent. Well, let me show you something interesting. We're going to go to the account so you can see why, because the client just had one account that needed to be removed, and I know which account that is. So we're going to go to it. You see the yellow lines right there? That's all the lates. As you can see, this is a Chase account. The balance is $90,000. It's a real estate loan, so that's a mortgage. So that's basically was moved in a little over 2 weeks. And another interesting thing, as you can see, is that the account is still open. So 90,000, that was the balance. The account is still open, and it's removed off Equifax. And let's go back to archive report so you can see that it was there before, because I didn't show that previously. So we're gonna go down. You're gonna see, oh, there we go, Chase, and you can see that it was open, and you see everything right here. See, all the lates. Okay, we're gonna log out. Okay, and the purpose of me showing you this video is because I know there's a lot of companies on Craigslist and Backpages that profess that their services are effective, and they show you these documents, which could be Photoshopped, by the way. But like I said, that's why I did this video, so you can see in real time that the service works and the service is effective. However, I will say that there's no guarantees that it'll be 2 weeks. In most cases, it takes 30 days, sometimes 60 days. In rare occasions, it may take 90 days. However, the system is effective and it is working. And that concludes the first video for creditRepairSweep.com. So leave your name and your email address, get in contact with us, and we'll get back in contact with you via email, and we can take it from there and do the phone consultation and everything else. But have a great day, and I wish you well in your credit repair success.